Danes bom spoznala ameriškega študenta Meta, ki je tukaj v Sloveniji na mednarodni izmenjavi. Peljala ga bom malo okrog po centru, potem bova šla tudi na Ljubljanski grad, pa tudi plačilo za mBills bo preizkusil. Tako da kar gremo ga spoznati. Hi Matt.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Ready for some sightseeing?
Yeah,
Let's go. Here's one of the prettiest places to the top of the castle. Do you want to go?
Yeah, let's go.
Matt, how do you like Ljubljana, Slovenia? What do you think?
It's beautiful. I've been here about 2 weeks and have been welcomed in by everyone. Everyone's extremely friendly and I almost don't feel like a tourist here.
That's nice to hear. Very glad. What about mBills? What do you think of mBills and what solutions do you have that are similar in America?
Yeah, I was really surprised by how many features mBills offers. I'm familiar with apps in the United States that have maybe one of mBills functions, maybe two of them, but mBills you can pay peer-to-peer, you can pay bills, and you can pay at restaurants, and that's something that the US doesn't have.
Mike, would you like some coffee? There's a nice coffee shop here.
Yeah, that sounds great. This place looks nice.
Let's go then.
Okay.
Matt, would you like to try to pay with mBills?
Yeah, I want to try it.
Okay, good. Here's the mBills app, it's already opened.
Okay.
And you just click the foreign pay, slika in
Okay.
plačilo, that's right. And you scan the QR code.
Okay.
Now you click pay and you confirm.
Ah, that was easy. Just 2 clicks.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's all.
Thank you.